Get him, Coco. Hey, I'll pick you up too, but I can't reach you. I got other dogs in my lap. What are you doing, Barney? Got you in my lap. I got you in my lap. You're so darn cute. I want you on my lap too. Here, hold on for a second, buddy. Come here. Come here. Here we go. There we go. I can have you all up on here. All up on my lap. You can all be on my lap because you're little. You weigh like half a pound. You weigh like half a pound. You tell him, Barney. You tell her. Oh wow, look at this. See, there's senior cricket in the water. Wow, didn't know there was a water dog. Are you all gonna get on my lap? Maggie, hi. Hi, Maggie.